Hello everyone, my name is Dinda Celine Membang and my student ID is 2025-32002. This is the first program. This program is displaying array contents. This program demonstrates basic array declaration and population using a standard C-cycle array in C++. In const int ukuran, this defines the size of the array, making the code flexible. In int angka, this declares a one-dimensional array named angka capable of holding 5 integers. And for sin angka I, this inputs a number from the user and store it into the I index of the angka array. And the last is cout. This accesses and print the value stored at the I index of the angka array. We're gonna execute the program. These are the final execute for the first program. Okay, we go to the second program. The second program is total and average of 6 values. This program uses a double array to store input values, ensuring accurate calculation of the average, especially if the input contains decimals. In const int ukuran equals 6, this is define the constant size for the dataset. And in double nilai ukuran, this declares a one-dimensional array named nilai capable of holding 6 double. This is crucial for the handling non-integer input and accurate average. And in the total, this is the value stored in the current array element is directly added to the total variable during the input loop. We're gonna execute the program. These are the final execution of the second program. Okay, we continue to the third program. The program is finding maximum and minimum values. In const int ukuran equal 8, this is define the constant size of the array. And in int data ukuran, this declares an array named data to hold 8 integers. And in int terbesar, int terkecil, this is the search. Begins by assuming the first element of the array is both the largest and smallest value. And in line 27 to 28, this is inside the loop, this is compared against the store maximum and minimum values, updating them if a new extreme is found. Okay, we're gonna execute the program. This is the final execution from the third program. Okay, and the last program is sequential search. This program uses a Boolean flag and a loop to perform a sequential search on the array. In the first is const int ukuran equals 7. This is defined the array size 7. And int data ukuran, this is declares an array named data to hold 7 integers. And in the line 16, this is iterates through every index of the data array starting from the beginning. On the 28th line, this is checks if the value stored in the current array element match the user's search input. And the last line is break. This is immediately exits the loop once a match is found, preventing unnecessary further checks. Okay, we're gonna execute the program. These are the final execution from the last program, the fourth program. Okay, that's all that I can explain from the first to fourth program. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.